Hey there folks, today I'm going to do a video, more like a real-time video on the use of the Kress 60-volt snowblower. This is my second season using it and I think it's absolutely amazing, but I always get questions on, you know, how long do you get on a charge, or how much snow can you blow? And it all depends upon a number of factors. So I'm just going to take you along on a typical single-use battery. I'm just going to let the camera run and it's all going to be real time, so this is going to be a pretty long video. So if you want to, you know, double or triple the speed, that's fine, or if you want to watch the whole thing, because I do some commentary in between and take you along. I drop the camera actually on the blower. So yeah, so take a look at what an electric snowblower, especially the Kress, can do in real life. Now right here you can see that snow. That is a good, it's up to my elbow. I'll get the measurement for you later, but I'm going to set you up on this tripod, pop in a new set of batteries into the Kress, and just let it record so you can see how much the Kress can actually blow. Now it's sort of freezing rain here now with elbows length worth of snow. I'll go grab a set of batteries now and drop into the Kress. So that's a solid 15 inches of snow that we have there. And I have a set of brand new charged up batteries. Installed. I'll put my tape in my pocket so I won't lose it. And I'll just adjust you like that. Come back and check on you from time to time. So we got 15 inches of snow. This is not light snow, nor is it soggy snow. It's somewhere in between. Let me just grab some and see if I can make a snowball out of it. Okay, that's the consistency of the snow. It won't pack. So let's see what this beast can do. Okay, here you go. Enjoy. The snow is getting deeper as I get in closer to that side over there. I'll just take you along for a little bit. Lay you right here on the dashboard so you can see what's going on. Oh wait, by the way, you're just laid on the dashboard, you're not strapped to anything, so you can see there's no vibration with this Kress. Okay, no snow on the lens or very little. I'll put you back up on the tripod. I'll measure that distance later, I'm not quite sure. Okay, so there you go. Now I'll get back at it. You're still recording. Okay, you're still going. This is typical performance of the Kress blower. Just wanted to let you know. Check the battery. Oh, still lots of juice. Let me change your location over this way. Yep. Okay. Now let's go. Okay, she's done. So I'll just grab the tape now and measure the square footage. Just to let you know, there will be enough juice in the battery for me to back her up closer to the garage, just in case I needed to, need her to get her closer to the garage to change the batteries. Let's see how many square feet. So that's 12 feet across this way. So that's 12 feet by 38 feet by easily 15 inches deep of snow, and that's what you can get out of one charge on a battery. If there was less snow and consistency was different, you'd have different results. Get this back in here. So that's what you can get, well, that's what I get out of one set of batteries with a Kress blower. Now that one that I got came with 2 sets of batteries, so I'll just go grab the other set now, pop into her, and essentially get the same amount again. Now I do have some of the 8-minute charge batteries, so I'll probably intermix that in there as well. So I'm thinking maybe 3 more sets of batteries and I'll have this driveway done. Now remember, I do have to charge these, so that does take a bit of time, but I'd say in total, I calculated the kilowatt hours before, how much energy it would take for me to do the driveway, and I think I had to use 6 sets of batteries at one time, and it cost me like $3 worth of energy. Was it $3? It was no more than $3. It was either $3.19 or $1.39. Can't remember now, but it was like less than $3 to do the whole driveway. Whereas with the price of fuel these days, I don't think you could even get a quarter tank of gas for $3. So keep that in mind. And as you can see, the performance, just like any other blower. So anyway, folks, that's it for this impromptu, I guess kind of like a live stream video. Hope you enjoyed it, and just see what the electric snowblower, especially the Kress, can do in real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.